Hi guys, I'm back for another what's in my bag video. I have got the worst migraine coming, but unfortunately as a dog owner you need to get your dog the exercise she or he needs, and so I have been hanging out for about 2 hours now, and I took a walk in the woods and went down to the beach where I live, because I live right by the beach. So as I told you before, I have about 3 or 4 different bags that I use on a daily, and of course I am a personaholic, so I switch them out, but I use 4 bags every day. So I thought I would show you what's in my dog walking bag. So here it is. I prefer to use backpacks when I go hiking with my dog. Mostly backpacks. At times I use what do you call them? Fanny packs? Do you still call them fanny packs? I don't know, but you know those bags that you put around your waist. But today I have chosen to use this one. It's a backpack. It does not have a brand, I think. I have not seen anyone. So, no, wait. I go in the small compartment first. So, in my first compartment, I always have my phone, but I'm filming on my phone right now, so this is just the phone case. But just to give you an idea of the size of the what is this called? The size of this. Sorry. I have my inhaler for my asthma, and my AirPods. I don't know what these are called. I hear so many different names for it. AirPods, AirPods, but you know, for the iPhone. So, and that's all in that pocket. Oh, it's called pocket. Sorry. And it does not hold a pocket back here. But I do prefer, when I have backpacks, I prefer to have, you know, a small slip pocket here, so I can put my personal information down there. Okay, I usually have another leash, a spare leash in my bag, because I have experienced the leash breaking when I'm outdoors. So usually I have a spare leash in here. A protein bar, Nature Valley. This is really good, really good. And of course my water bottle, and not just for me. I pack for my dog also. This is her bowl, water bowl. You push it like this, and whoops, it becomes a bowl. Okay, it's not supposed to be like this. I really need to get myself a tripod like this. And you can also hang it. If I have a fanny pack, I usually hang it on the outside. And what is this? Oh, it's for my umbrella. And this pocket is, there is a pocket here with a zipper, but it's a big hole in it, so I choose to not use that. My umbrella, of course. And yeah, my planner. And I do not plan when I go outside, but I have personal information about my illnesses, and I have in the back I have phone numbers to the people closest to me. So if something happens and myself or someone else does not have a phone or whatever, you can just look in this. So it's not dependent on cell towers and such. Poop bags, of course. And this is my catch-all for this bag, since I can't use this. It's like a rubber material, so it's super easy to clean. And in here I have a lighter, my ID in case something happens, so people will know who I am. Hand sanitizer, tissues, and Carmex. Nothing more. The end, I think. Yes. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!